An Ode to Cricket by Lovleen Misra. Dear God, I don't ask for much. Just let Virat stick to the crease. Don't let him run out, please. If he runs out, that would be it. Batters will come and quickly leave. Tears will be shed on every sleeve. Half the country will grieve. And me? I'll bite my nails. I'll chew my tongue off. I'll buzz like a bee. I'll pee and pee and pee. Did you know Virat is like my elder bro? His century is my pride and show. No, really. As soon as I eat this biscuit, or when that chair creaks, when mom calls out, or when Didi shrieks, Virat loses sight of the ball, his wicket threatens to fall. Now you see, just like that, we lose. It's a price we all pay. The World Cup slips away. We all sigh and brood. India falls into a bad mood. So, dear God, I don't ask for much. Just let Virat stick to the crease. Don't let him run out, please. The end.